Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and this time I'm going to show you something that's very important, guys. I cannot stress it enough. I'm going to show you how to turn on Find My Mobile. So this is something you should do straight away, and this will work out in your favor if you was to ever lose the phone. You'll be able to remotely control the phone, and you'll also be able to locate it. If you can't locate it, you'll be able to at least wipe the phone clean so that nobody can access any of your personal information. If you've also set up a lock screen PIN code on the phone and you've forgotten it, can't remember it, you'll be able to remove it and get back into the phone without losing any data whatsoever. So yeah, I highly recommend activating Find My Mobile. So I'm going to take you through the steps of how to activate it. So just follow what I'm about to do. So pull down the notifications and go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says connected devices. And look for smart things. So there it is. Select it. And you'll have to sign into your Samsung account. So select sign in, and then just enter your login details. So you can sign in with either your email or phone number. If you don't remember your email or your login details, there's an option to find your ID. Just follow the steps and it should help you to get back into your account. If you don't have a Samsung account, you can create one, or you can sign in with a Google account, or you can sign in with QR code. Okay, so I'm just going to sign in. I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I've just put in my details, so I'm just going to sign in. Okay, so the next page here, you can select any of these three boxes. It's totally optional. I'm going to skip it. Hit cancel. Okay, so from here, just scroll down to the bottom and select Life. Then you'll see a map here. You might have to actually download something. A pop-up might come up to say download, so just go ahead and download whatever it says to download, and then select Find. And as you can see there, locate your devices anytime, anywhere. Locate your phone even if it's offline. So just go ahead and hit start. Select get started, and then hit OK. So then select the three pins here and select settings and select allow devices to be found, and just make sure that offline finding is enabled. And then go back. Down here, select those three little pins, and also turn this on, notify when left behind. So that means if you leave your phone behind, you'll get a notification. Also share this device's location. Turn those on. And then from here you can go back. And then next, go into the settings. And go to security and privacy. Go to find my mobile. Make sure that it's got a little tick on. That means it's all set up. So make sure that little green tick is next to it. Select it. And as you can see, allow this phone to be found. There's a little tick beside it. So we're all good. Offline finding. That's on as well. And if you want to turn this on as well, encrypt offline location, you can enable it. Then select remote unlock. Go to settings. And you might have to set up your PIN code and everything to enable it. And now turn on remote unlock. And also turn on send last location. So that will also show its last location of where it's been when you've lost it. So yeah, remember guys, just make sure that you turn everything on that I've shown in the video. And if you ever lose the phone, you'll be able to track it. You'll be able to locate it and find it. You'll also be able to remove any passwords that you have forgotten. So if you've forgotten your lock screen password, you'll be able to just go to find my mobile. I'll be doing a separate video on this, and you'll be able to just remove any passwords so that you can get back into the phone. So yeah guys, remember to like and share the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video, stay tuned. Like I said, I'll be doing a video on that, on how to locate the missing phone, how to remove the passwords without losing any data on the phone. I'll be doing a full tutorial on that. So anyway, that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up like I said, and share the video. If it's the first time you're watching my videos, be sure to subscribe as well. I'm out. It's your boy the Android Doctor. See you in the next one. Deuces.